All right, hey, Josh here, Attic Lumber Company. I know it's kind of loud in here, so I'll speak up here, but I'm going to show you, our guys are actually putting up ceiling right here. You can see how we do this. Again, there's different applications on that. You see how they're putting up the white ladder panel. This was a building that we built. I know it's loud in here, guys, so some of the sound quality maybe not the best, but you can see we're putting the baffles up on there. But I want to show you how this is being done right here. How we're doing that to the underside of the trusses. So we built this about 2 years ago. But you can see this, I'll stand back, but you can see here how we do that. See the track that we got right up there on that? And then we put that right in there. So we're connecting that to the underside of the 2x4, and here we go. But I just wanted to show you in action what's going on here. But this is a building actually built. And you know, can't get to all of them out there, but you can see how we set those baffles up there. We set them on the outside of the 2x12 top beam header. See how that, again, from the vented vinyl soffit on the outside, it lets the air will go up to the peak here. All right, and you can see this is drip stop that we've used on this building. And I'll show you here this building, good looking building, but just kind of give you an idea here how that's done. Different ways to apply this, but real quick, I don't know if you heard that or not, but you can see nice sharp looking red building. But I just wanted to show you an application as we're going right there. But this is a 40x64 that we built, I don't know, a couple years ago. But we're doing, obviously coming back and doing some light interior alterations on this. So I just wanted to share that with you. So I had a guy comment, said, hey, how come you guys don't do interior alterations? And sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. But this kind of just gives you the preliminary stages of what we're doing right here. All right? For more videos like this, boom, keep it locked and loaded right here. Attic Lumber. Attic Lumber. 1925.